Hashtag the 10-letter conspiracy. Dr. Elena Vasquez stared at the ancient tablet, her hands trembling as she traced the carved symbols. After 3 decades of archaeological work, she had never seen anything like this. The artifact, discovered deep within a sealed chamber beneath the ruins of Babylon, contained what appeared to be a complete writing system using only 10 distinct characters. Impossible, she whispered, adjusting her headlamp. Every known writing system required far more symbols to function effectively. Yet here, etched in stone older than any civilization on record, was evidence of a sophisticated language built on just 10 letters. Her satellite phone buzzed. Dr. Marcus Chen, her longtime research partner, was calling from the university. Elena, you need to get back here immediately. Something's happening with the linguistics department. 3 professors have gone missing, and their offices were ransacked. The only thing connecting them? They were all working on simplified alphabet theories. Elena's blood ran cold. She photographed the tablet quickly, her mind racing. Marcus, I'm sending you something. Don't share it with anyone until I get back. The flight home felt endless. Elena kept studying the photos, trying to decode the pattern. The 10 symbols seemed to flow together in ways that defied conventional linguistic logic, yet somehow conveyed complex meaning. It was as if the entire system had been designed by someone who understood language at a level humanity had never achieved. Upon landing, Elena drove straight to the university. The campus was eerily quiet for a Tuesday evening. Marcus met her at the archaeology building, his face pale with worry. "It's worse than I told you," he said, leading her through empty hallways. Professor Williams from Ancient Languages, Dr. Kovac from Computational Linguistics, and Sarah Mitchell from Anthropological Studies, all vanished within 48 hours of each other. The police found encrypted files on their computers, all related to something called Project Reduction. They reached Marcus's office, where he had spread dozens of documents across his desk. Elena recognized immediately what she was looking at: research papers, dating back decades, all exploring the theoretical minimum number of letters needed for human communication. "Look at this." Marcus pointed to a yellowed paper from 1987. A classified government study concluded that human language could theoretically be reduced to exactly 10 optimal symbols without losing communicative capacity. The research was buried. The team disbanded. Elena's tablet felt heavy in her backpack. "Marcus, there's something I need to show you." Before she could reach for her bag, the office lights went out. Emergency lighting kicked in, casting eerie red shadows across the room. Through the window, Elena could see black SUVs surrounding the building. "Dr. Vasquez," a voice called from the hallway. "We need to talk." 3 figures in dark suits entered the office. The lead agent, a woman with silver hair and calculating eyes, smiled coldly. "Agent Rebecca Stone, Department of Linguistic Security. You've discovered something that belongs to us." "Linguistic security?" Marcus laughed nervously. "That's not a real department." "Oh, but it is," Stone replied. "We've been monitoring simplified alphabet research for 40 years. Every time someone gets close to the truth, we intervene. The 10-letter system isn't theoretical, Dr. Vasquez. It's real, and it's dangerous." Elena's mind reeled. "You knew about the tablet?" "We've known about many tablets. What you found in Babylon is one of 17 identical artifacts scattered across the globe. Each one contains the same message, written in the same 10-letter system. A message that, when fully decoded, reveals something humanity isn't ready to learn." Stone moved closer, her voice dropping to a whisper. "The 10-letter alphabet isn't human in origin. It's a communication system designed by an intelligence far superior to our own. Every time someone begins to crack the code, they disappear because they discover the truth. This planet has been monitored for millennia, and the Watchers have been leaving us messages." Elena felt the world spinning. The missing professors? Relocated to a secure facility where they're continuing their research under controlled conditions. The knowledge they've gained is too valuable and too dangerous for public consumption. Marcus stepped forward protectively. "You can't just kidnap scientists." Stone's smile widened. "We're not kidnapping anyone. We're offering them the opportunity to be part of the most important linguistic discovery in human history." The 10-letter messages, when fully translated, contain detailed information about human evolution, our place in the cosmic community, and instructions for making contact with our observers. Elena's hand instinctively moved to her backpack. "And if we refuse? Then you'll forget this conversation ever happened. Your research will be classified." and you'll return to your normal lives with no memory of ancient tablets or 10-letter alphabets. The room fell silent except for the hum of emergency lighting. Elena looked at Marcus, seeing her own mixture of terror and fascination reflected in his eyes. They were being offered a choice between ignorance and a truth that could change everything humanity believed about itself. Stone pulled out a small device that looked like a tablet computer. This contains partial translations of the messages. Read it, and there's no going back. Refuse, and we ensure you never remember any of this. Elena reached for the device, her archaeological instincts overriding her fear. As her fingers touched the screen, symbols appeared, 10 elegant characters that somehow felt familiar, as if buried deep in human genetic memory. The first translated line made her gasp, "Greetings, children of Earth. Your linguistic evolution proceeds as planned. When you decode this message completely, you will be ready to join us among the stars." Stone's voice seemed to come from very far away. "Welcome to the real world, Dr. Vasquez. Your new life begins now." As Elena stared at the glowing symbols, she realized that everything humanity thought it knew about language, communication, and its place in the universe was about to change forever. The 10 letters weren't just an alphabet, they were humanity's graduation test, hidden in plain sight for thousands of years, waiting for the right minds to unlock their cosmic significance.